got some in there, and that is not ideal. Got some in there, and that is not ideal. So I just added the beads from here into here, and I took it from here to here. So I'm just going to mix one batch for these 2 molds. Probably could just mix this entire thing and be safe, but I'll have enough left over for a small mold. Is, drum roll please. Okay, 83.35 ounces. 83.35. So if we move the decimal place over 1 is 8.3 ounces of the other stuff. Yep, I got just enough left for one more small something. Yeah, I want to say the pot life on this is like, what is it, 25 minutes, half an hour, maybe even 45 minutes, I'm not sure. This very cheap popcorn tub is kind of straining at the task at hand. I've never used it to mix such a big batch, and the flimsy paper is not the best thing. Here's my vacuum pot. Look at that awesome organized garage I've got going on here. Okay, so in theory it should stay where it's at. Right now it's at 27 inches of mercury. I can't remember what it's supposed to be. It's kind of an underpowered motor that I've got, so 29. No! I don't even think though the gauge goes up to 29. I'm always torn because the bubbles never stop coming, and at some point I just need to call it off and start pouring. 25 minutes or half an hour, I would guess. Yeah, and it's so disturbing that even after that you still can see bubbles in there, but oh well. Want to start where it's low, and then this is another one where I want to do it really slow so the stream gets as thin as possible, so that the as many bubbles break in the thin stream. But if I do it so thin, it'll set up before I get it all in there. The times I want to go really slow is when it starts to fill in the eyes. So that's when you really got to count on it to go up and then go up and then back down without catching an air pocket. Slow down because it's starting to reach the corner of the eye there. This is probably a fool's errand, but just gonna go in and burst some of these bubbles that are in danger of maybe slipping down into the eye. This is what you don't want, is where the two sides are folding together. That's how it can trap bubbles really easily. So I think it's probably a losing battle to think that I can like manually remove every little potential bubble threat on here. Let's see if I can make any headway with vibrations. Alright, let's mix another tiny batch. It's so annoying. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go to bed. So I may be pouring the next side to Scolla tomorrow, so there's a good chance I'll be on tomorrow night / morning / whatever it will be. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys then. Thanks for hanging out. Have a good day / night.